Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Wisdom English Podcast channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Brian. Hello, Sarah.
Hello, Brian. It's great to have you here. How are you today?
I'm doing great, thank you. And you? You look very happy today.
I am very happy. I'm excited for our topic today.
Oh, really? Is it a good topic?
It is a very good topic. It is very important for our listeners.
Fantastic. But before we start, everyone, please remember to subscribe to our channel, Wisdom English Podcast.
Yes, and click the like button. And please share our podcast with your friends and family. It helps us grow our community.
It really does help. Okay, Sarah, I am ready. What is our topic today?
Today, our topic is Tell Me About Yourself.
The most famous question in English.
Exactly. You hear this question at job interviews, at parties, or when you meet a new friend.
It's true. But sometimes students get nervous. They don't know what to say.
That is why we are here. We will break it down into small, easy pieces.
That sounds perfect. We will have a conversation, and the listeners can listen and practice. So, who goes first?
How about you start, Brian? Tell me about yourself.
Okay. I will start with the basics. My name. My name is Brian, spelled B-R-I-A-N.
Nice to meet you, Brian. My name is Sarah. S-A-R-A-H.
Nice to meet you too, Sarah. Okay, next question. Where are you from?
Good question. I am from the United Kingdom. I am British.
Oh, the UK, wonderful. I am from the United States. I am American.
The U.S. Very cool. Which city are you from?
I am from New York. It is a very big, very famous city. What about you, Sarah?
I am from a city called Brighton. It is on the coast. It is near the ocean.
That sounds beautiful. Do you live in Brighton now?
No, I don't. I live in London now. It is very busy, but I like it.
I understand. I live in a quiet town now. I moved away from the big city. I like the quiet.
That is nice. Do you live in a house or an apartment?
I live in a house. It has a big backyard for barbecues.
That sounds very American. I live in an apartment. It is on the 5th floor. I have a nice view of the city.
A view is very important. Okay, so we have name, country, city, and home. What is next?
Let's talk about age. Is that okay?
Yes, of course. I am 32 years old.
32. A great age. I am 29 years old. I will be 30 next year.
Oh, a big birthday coming up.
Yes. I am a little nervous, but also excited.
Don't worry, the 30s are the best years. Okay, Sarah, tell me about your job. What do you do?
I am a writer. I write articles for a magazine.
Wow, a writer. That is very interesting. Do you write about news?
Sometimes. Usually I write about travel and food. I love my job because I learn new things every day.
That is the dream job. Travel and food.
It is fun. What about you, Brian? What do you do?
Well, our listeners might guess this. I am an English teacher.
Of course. You are a teacher here on Wisdom English Podcast.
Yes, I teach students how to speak confidently. I love helping people. It makes me feel good.
That is wonderful. We make a good team. A writer and a teacher.
We do. Okay, let's go deeper. Let's talk about family. Sarah, do you have a big family?
Not really. I have one sister. She is my twin sister.
A twin? Really? Do you look exactly the same?
Yes, we are identical twins. Sometimes people call me by her name.
That is so funny. What is her name?
Her name is Jessica. She is a nurse.
Very cool. I don't have a twin, but I come from a big family. I have 2 brothers and 1 sister.
Wow, 4 children in total. That must be a noisy house.
It was very noisy growing up, but very fun. I am the youngest. I'm the baby of the family.
The baby. So your brothers and sister are older.
Yes, my oldest brother is 40. He is a police officer.
A police officer. A serious job. And your parents?
My father is retired now. He was a banker. And my mother is a florist. She works with flowers.
A florist. That is such a beautiful job. I love flowers.
Me too. Our house always smells like a garden.
That is lovely. Speaking of houses and families, what about pets?
Oh, I am a huge animal lover. I have a dog.
I knew it. You seem like a dog person.
I am. His name is Rocky. He is a golden retriever.
A golden retriever. They are very friendly dogs.
He is my best friend. He follows me everywhere. What about you, Sarah? Do you have any pets in your apartment?
I do, but I don't have a dog. My apartment is too small. I have a cat.
A cat person and a dog person. The classic difference.
Yes, her name is Bella. She is very lazy. She sleeps on the sofa all day.
That sounds like a nice life. Rocky does not sleep. He likes to run and play ball.
Bella only runs when she hears the sound of food.
Okay, so we know a lot now. We know name, origin, home, age, job, family, and pets.
That is already a great introduction, but let's make it more interesting. Let's talk about favorites.
Oh, I love this part. Okay, Sarah, what is your favorite food?
This is hard. I love food, but I think my favorite is sushi.
Sushi. Japanese food. Very fresh.
Yes, I love salmon and tuna. It is healthy and delicious. What about you?
I like sushi, but my favorite food is a big hamburger.
A hamburger. Very American of you, Brian.
I can't help it. I love a cheeseburger with fries. It is my comfort food.
Comfort food is important. Do you like to cook?
I try. I am good at grilling meat, BBQ style, but I am not a chef. What about you?
I love cooking. It is one of my hobbies. I like to bake cakes and cookies.
Oh, wow. You must bring some cookies to the studio next time.
I will, I promise. Okay, next favorite. What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is summer. I love the sun. I love the beach.
Really? It is too hot for me.
I love the heat. What is your favorite season?
I prefer autumn. I love when the leaves change color, orange, red, and yellow. It is so beautiful.
That is true. Autumn is very romantic and cozy. I like wearing sweaters.
Exactly. Sweaters and hot tea. Perfect.
Speaking of tea, coffee or tea?
Oh, definitely tea. I'm British, remember? I drink tea every morning.
I am a coffee man. I need my coffee to wake up.
We are very different, Brian.
It's good to be different. It makes the conversation interesting.
Yes. Okay, let's talk about hobbies. What do you do for fun, Brian, besides grilling burgers?
Well, I love sports. I play basketball on the weekends with my friends.
Basketball. You are tall, so maybe you are good at it.
I'm okay. It is good exercise. And I also love photography. I take pictures of nature.
Photography is a great hobby. You can be creative.
Yes, I take pictures of my dog, Rocky, mostly.
What about your hobby, Sarah? Well, I mentioned cooking, but I also love yoga.
Yoga. That is very relaxing.
Yes, it helps me stretch and breathe. It's good for stress. And I love reading novels.
A writer who loves reading. That makes sense. What is your favorite book?
Oh, impossible to choose. But I love mystery books, like Sherlock Holmes.
Sherlock Holmes, a classic British character.
Exactly. I like trying to solve the puzzle.
That sounds fun. Okay, we talked about things we like. Now let's do something funny. What is something you don't like?
Ooh, dislikes. Let me think.
I have one. I hate traffic.
Traffic.
Yes, waiting in the car. Beep, beep. It makes me crazy. I have no patience.
I agree. Traffic in London is terrible. That is why I take the subway.
Smart? What about you? What do you dislike?
I do not like washing dishes.
Oh, me neither. It is wet and messy.
Cooking is fun, eating is fun, but cleaning up, no thank you.
That is why we need a dishwasher machine.
Yes, it is my favorite machine in the house.
Also, I don't like horror movies. Scary movies?
Really? You are afraid?
Yes, I cannot sleep after watching a ghost movie.
That is funny. I actually like horror movies. I think they are exciting.
You are brave, Sarah. Okay, so look at all this information we have now.
It is a lot. We have built a full picture of who we are.
Let's review what I learned about you, Sarah.
Okay, test your memory.
You are Sarah from the UK. You live in a London apartment. You are a writer with a twin sister. You have a lazy cat named Bella. You like sushi, autumn, yoga, and horror movies. But you hate washing dishes.
A+. Perfect score, Brian. You are a good listener.
Thank you. Now, you tell me about me.
Okay, you are Brian from New York, USA. You live in a house in a quiet town. You are an English teacher from a big family. You have a golden retriever named Rocky. You like burgers, summer, basketball, and coffee. But you hate traffic and scary movies.
Perfect! See? It is easy to remember when you have a conversation.
Yes. To our listeners, when you introduce yourself, you don't need to say a long speech.
Right. You don't need to say everything at once. It's a back and forth, like playing tennis. I ask a question, you answer. You ask a question, I answer.
Exactly. Hi, I'm Brian. I'm a teacher. What do you do?
Hi, I'm Sarah. I'm a writer. Nice to meet you. Simple.
And keep smiling. It helps with your pronunciation and your confidence.
So, Sarah, do you think our listeners are ready to try?
I think so. They have all the tools now.
We have covered name, origin, age, job, family, pets, favorites, hobbies, and dislikes. That is plenty of things to talk about.
Brian, I had a lot of fun learning about you today. I didn't know you played basketball.
And I didn't know you had a twin sister. We learn something new every day.
Well, sadly, our time is almost up for today's episode.
Aw, time flies when you're having fun.
It really does. But before we go, we have a little homework for our amazing listeners.
Yes, we want to get to know you.
Please go to the comment section below. We want you to write 3 sentences about yourself.
Just 3. Tell us your name, where you're from, and one thing you like.
For example, I am Maria. I am from Brazil. I like dancing.
Or, I am Ken. I am from Japan. I like baseball.
We will read your comments and reply to you. We love reading your stories.
Yes, please share with us. And don't forget to like this video if you learned something new.
And subscribe to Wisdom English Podcast so you don't miss our next lesson.
What are we talking about next time, Sarah?
Next time, we will talk about daily routines, how to describe your day from morning to night.
That sounds very useful. I can't wait.
Thank you, everyone, for listening today. You did a great job.
Keep practicing, stay curious, and speak English every day.
Goodbye, everyone. See you soon.
Bye!